Understanding, Restored to Health, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important phrase in the English language: restored to health. This phrase is not only common in medical contexts but also in everyday English conversations. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it can be applied. So, let's get started and explore this phrase together. Restored to health is a phrase that signifies the process of becoming healthy again after a period of illness or injury. The word restored implies a return to a previous state of health, suggesting that the person or subject was healthy before experiencing a health issue. This phrase is often used in medical reports, news stories about recoveries, and personal stories of overcoming health challenges. Restored. This part of the phrase indicates a return to a former condition or state. In our context, it means coming back to good health after being sick or injured. To health. This specifies the condition being returned to, which is a state of being well and free from illness. Understanding both components helps English learners grasp the full meaning of the phrase and how it highlights the transition from illness back to wellness. To help you understand how restored to health is used in everyday language, here are some examples. 1. After a long treatment, my grandmother was finally restored to health. 2. The hospital staff worked tirelessly to ensure that all patients were restored to health. 3. The news reported that the injured wildlife, found last month, has been restored to health and released back into the wild. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing the recovery and healing aspect. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary and help you find different ways to express the same idea. Here are a few: recovered fully, regained health, healed, back to normal. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight variations in tone or specificity. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, restored to health. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this and knowing when and how to use them. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. We're excited to continue this journey with you, helping you become more fluent and confident in English. See you in the next video.